In this video, I'll show you how to switch between planning and fast mode in Antigravity and when to use each one. So when you open this conversation in Antigravity, I mean this agent, if you don't see the agent right away, you can simply click on toggle agent. And here you can see your model, for example, and next to it you have this small plus icon. And if you click on it, you have this option to select plan. So this is the planning mode. You can use this when the task is complex or has multiple steps. For example, build me a landing page with contact form, animations, and mobile layout. The agent will create a task group, write out a plan, and show you what it intends to do before touching any code. You get basically the full visibility and control. Now for the fast mode, you can use something like this that you want to rename, for example, variable from user data to user info across all the files. This is the small task and straightforward. So Antigravity doesn't need any planning here. The agent just does this in seconds. And now if you want to switch between those modes, if I select the plan mode, now you can see we have the plan mode. So this is for the complex tasks. And if you want to have fast mode, you just need to remove this. And now you have fast mode. So this was just a quick video about the difference or how to switch between planning and fast mode. So planning is for complex work and fast is for easier tasks like something like this where you want to, for example, rename something. So if you found this video at least a little bit helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.